What's going on, guys? I'm here in the studio with Ali Sutton, and we're playing around with some V-flats, some gels, some umbrellas, some cameras, some reflective surfaces, in this case, my phone, and that's pretty much it. So basically what we're doing is we're playing off some color theory stuff that I did a while back, where I've got a red gel on the back bouncing into the umbrella, which is kind of part of the background. I've got a blue gel shooting through this V-flat here with some barn doors to create kind of a nice little thin line on her face. And then I've got a third light with a green gel with a snoot kind of shooting through two more V-flats that I've got at an angle to create kind of a crisscross pattern. She's got this really cool skirt with a bunch of geometric patterns that kind of looks like Eddie Van Halen's guitar. So I kind of want to play with some shapes, and we've got shapes. So what I'm doing with the phone is I'm actually using it as a reflective surface to kind of add some interest into that as well. So what we're going to do is I've got my camera on a tripod here just to make it easier, so I'm not trying to hold this and hold this in front. So what I'm going to do is take one shot without it just to have so we can see. And I like it. It's a cool shot. But what's happening is it's just like, yeah, I mean, it's cool. I dig it. But it'd be really cool if we could get some reflections in there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my phone like halfway up my lens. So I'm actually covering the bottom half of it. And it's going to be, so as I move it around, I'm actually able to kind of see different shapes and different kind of positions of her. So if I kind of tilt it like this, she'll be more on bottom left of the frame. If I tilt it like this, she'll be more on bottom right. But it's just kind of fun. We can kind of play around with it and just get some kind of cool looking shots. And really just, you have to kind of play with it to see like where you want it to be. And maybe you don't want it at all. I mean, this is definitely just kind of a very like specific kind of artistic look here. It wouldn't necessarily be something that a client would have, but you never know. So if you want to take a look, here's the final image that we came up with. It's just kind of a fun way to shoot with some gels and some lights and use your phone as kind of a reflective surface to add some interest to the bottom of the frame. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those below, and I'll see you next time.